And we're back to HTML Canvas. Let me show you how we can use the last principle to draw any shape based on a path. Once again, I've got my canvas set up and the object to draw using C and CTX. Then let's create a rectangle first, and instead of using the rect method, we'll just draw a rectangle using a path. So move 2 as the starting point. I'll make that 10, 10 again. I want to go down, so I'll keep my X value and I'll make the Y value 200. Let me directly add a style, so I first use the stroke. And this allows us to see the line directly, or let me put it a little bit more to the right, so I'll make it 100 for the X value. Now we want to go horizontally, so we'll keep the Y value and increase X. Then we want to go upwards vertically, so we keep X and decrease Y to 100. And then we want to close the path, so we'll have to go to 100, 100, which was to move to the starting point. And now we have a rectangle. Let us create a triangle inside of this rectangle. Center position in X should be at 150. And we'll start at the top line, which was at Y value 100. So we need 150, 100. Then we want to go down to the left, and this should be X 100 and Y 200. Third value should be X 200 and Y 200. And finally, we want to close the shape. So we go bottom right upwards again to the center, which was at 150X and 100 for Y. So this is the exact same value as our move to the start point. And now we have created a triangle inside of this rectangle. And this is the method that you can use to create all of these shapes. But keep in mind, right now these shapes are all connected. So if I change the style of one, both will have a different style. So doing it like this doesn't allow you to adjust the style of one element, for example the triangle, without also adjusting the rectangle. And I'm going to show you in the next video how we can separate these shapes. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.